this week's top stories. COVID vaccine. Have frontline cleaning and security staff been missed? The FM industry is urging the government to prioritise cleaning and security staff in the COVID vaccine rollout. In the current programme, health and social care workers are high on the waiting list, but outsourced hospital workers are not specified. Tier 3 London Club to test COVID air management system. The 100 Club in central London has been approved as a test site for a new COVID-secure HVAC system. Using strong UVC light to inactivate airborne pathogens, it's hoped that such technology could help the struggling entertainment and hospitality sectors. Corporate Receptionist of the Year, 2020's winner named. Diana Rialbien of ISS received her trophy on 14 December for Corporate Receptionist of the Year. Her prizes include a 5-day all-inclusive trip to New York and a 2-day leadership development programme.
For all the latest facilities and workplace management news, read more at TWinFM.com.